Okay, for number 6, it says that Liam's class is planting bamboo seedlings in the school garden. The line represents the average height of a bamboo plant after it has been planted. Write an equation in slope-intercept form that Liam could use to predict the height y of his bamboo after x days. Explain what the slope and the intercept mean in this situation. You all have to excuse me. My dogs are just out of control right now. Okay, in this equation, the y-intercept is b equals 10, and that is the height after planting. And then the slope is 10, I'm sorry, is 50 over 2, which is 25, and that is how fast it's grown in the allotted amount of time, in that amount of time. In 2 days. Okay. Jennifer's weather app has a graph that shows the predicted outside temperature starting at 7 a.m. Which statements are true about the graph? Okay, first of all, yes, it is a linear equation. The slope is not 1/2. But the temperature increases at a steady rate because the slope is the same. So if you go up 2, 4, 6, 8 and over 2, 1, 2, and then 2, 4, 6, 8 and over 2, that shows a constant steady rate. So there is that. The slope is 8 over 2, so it's not -3, so that one's not right. But the y-intercept is at -3 at 7 a.m. That's right here, and that is true, so that one is true there. All right, for number 8, it says Julio sells hand-painted skateboards. The graph shows how the price of the skateboards is related to the amount of time Julio spends painting it. Julio says the equation is y equals 10x plus 15. Explain what mistake he made and write the correct equation of the line. So first of all, let's find the slope. M equals, so that's 10, 20, 30 over 2, 1, 2. So the slope is 30 over 2, which is 15 and not 10. And then the y-intercept is at 10 and not 15. So the correct equation is y equals 15x plus 10. Okay, here it says the growth in earnings of a digital music service is shown in the graph. What is the equation of the line? Show your work, define your variables. Okay, first of all, your y-intercept is at 2.5. These are increments of 2.5. So your y-intercept is 2.5 or 5 over 2. And your slope is 25, here's 25 over 5, which is 5, and this is a 5. And so y equals mx plus b. So your equation is y equals 5x plus 5 over 2, or 2.5. On this one, number 4, you're just going to look at the equation. This is the equation of Daria's line. And it's asking for the slope of the line, which we know is the number that is attached to the x value. So m is equal to 14. Your y-intercept is b, and that's equal to 30. On this next one, number 5, it says write each linear equation under the graph of its line. So let's look at this first one. The slope is up 1 and over 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope is 1/4. And the y-intercept is 2, so that's that one. And then this one, where's the point? Where's the point? Oh. Well, my eyes are bad. Let's do this other one. Let's do this one first. This is at -2 is your intercept. And your slope is 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Up 4 and over 1. So that's this one. So that's y equals 4x minus 2, 4 over 1. And then that just leaves this one. Y equals 2x plus 1/4. Okay, on this one, your x's are going to represent the time, and your y is going to represent the snowfall, the amount of snowfall. So your slope represents the amount of snowfall over time, and your y-intercept equals the amount of the original snow. Okay, so the equation is y equals mx plus b, where your slope is 5 over 1, it's 5 inches over 1 hour, and then your intercept is at 3. So your equation will be y equals 5x plus 3. All right, there you have it.